Hello friend, hagani video ngat presnyo thoi bi kumnu pila aban delete ega Facebook account jong pila la piko aban delete na la aban deactivate ro kumnu ban le ega ta pangata ngat presnyo thoi bi hani video friend bona ki bro ki comment ki on chana video chani kumnu ban delete ega Facebook account ne kumnu ban deactivate ngam yo sa choro don kam ban kre ega ni video friend hagani video ngat presnyo thoi bi no friend bona ki bro ki on don account jong ki cha hack don Facebook account jong ki cha hack don ni we bro ki post itu video to de hire ba ki post to ni bru ba share te bhai ta ki ko aban delete ya Facebook account de ni we bru ki ong o ngala ipor ba hagani ya Facebook ba da ko aban delete ini new reason ba pidon te piku aban delete as pangatangan to snyo to pi ni video friend kada piku aban delete ya Facebook account jong pi snyo ba ban pa ni video do last number friend hagani video ngan to snyo to pi friend jawa ban stang ni video ngako aban au friend lada pi new hagani channel jonga snyo ba subscribe ni channel snyo ba ban click to bell icon friend nama lada pi click to bell icon de video jonga daily friend lada pi pat join nga telegram group jonga snyo ba ban join nga telegram group jonga nama telegram ro I daily update tetapi ko aban kumai bisa online de pila aban yo daily update telegram group pila aban join nga telegram group link ngan IP description friend mentangan record ni mobile screen jonga dengan terusnya thoi bi kumnu pila aban delete ega Facebook account jong pi in Khasi friend I hope pila ni mobile screen jonga friend mentangan terusnya thoi bi kumnu pila aban deactivate ne delete ega Facebook account jong pi friend first of all pi don kam ban open your new Facebook application pila hanya mobile jong pi te pidon kam ban klik honi Facebook application ma pidon kam ban klik honi te mentangan klik ni friend by friend ledangan klik hani kan inga community ani de Facebook account jonga pila ini de Facebook account jonga ngadon kanno ngadon 4.8k follower te ngala upload bon by video te ani monetization do gala la long hangne tang bang ko ban delete jaga ni Facebook account te kumnu ban delete jaga ni Facebook account phang tangan pesno thoi pi by friend suppose lada pi use suppose ani de Facebook jong pi ma te pi create ega page em te lada pi ko aban delete ega Facebook profile jong pi te ani page per pi create do kan delete pi ini page jonga ani do kan delete I hope pila so do lada pi ko aban delete sngewbha first of all pi don kam ban thing lo jong lada pi ko aban delete ega page jong pi te first of all pi don kam ban delete ega Facebook account jong pi te lada pi ko aban delete ega ni Facebook page te lada pi delete ega ni Facebook account te ani Facebook page do kan delete te friend I hope pila so tho suppose friend pi don live south league profile pa menta nga ni de profile am tanga nang don show profile suppose nga ko ban delete away profile pa suppose nga ko aban delete ga ni tag Bittu mo ngan klik hani suppose leda nga ko aban delete ga ni tag Bittu account tanga don kam ban klik hani tag Bittu pi ngala klik hang ni te ini por ngila aban delete ga ni tang ba friend ngam ko ada ban delete ga ni tag Bittu nga ko aban delete ga ni Bittu sa dengan klik hani te friend leda pi klik hani kan ban ibi kum ni te menta pi don kam ban klik hani set pilih cepo da pi ka tho ni setting and privacy te friend pi don kam ban klik hani setting and privacy ada pi klik ani setting and privacy kan pani pi kumni te friend pila aban klik direct hani ro pi ka tho ani setting chu klik hani setting ada pi klik direct hani lo kan pani pi kumni pi kan pani pi kumni te mon chwa friend lada pi ko aban delete ega account jong pi cheni chepo I kan tho kan tho kumta o pila aban delete access and control kan tho pi hani pangata kan tho pi tang pa menta friend ani Facebook kala link ban meta pi kani Facebook la link ban meta ta bhai ta bon ha ki bro kim tip cho ban delete ega Facebook account jong ki ta bhai ta friend so pa ban pa any video like skip the friend da pi skip no friend pimla ra ban snyo to ta bhai ta ngoi pi like skip de ta bhai friend da pi click hani setting da pi click hani setting ta company pi kumni te phil chapo chini phil da pi pa chapo ni imdon hi da hanu umdon hi da mo pi umdon da ban delete ega ni Facebook account man chwa don ho ni tang bam tam don cho te man ta pi don kam ban klik hani meta pi ni meta pi ka tho ni personal detail password and security art preference payment nong friend pi ni box pi don kam ban klik hani box ma te man tangan klik hani box te friend lada pi klik hani box kan pi pi kum ni pi mentang ala apo hani meta pi ini de meta ni account dong meta ta pila ban check ini ni account ba pi create ha Facebook dan Instagram plug na kan pi ni te pi chu klik hatu arrow pengat ni pi chu klik pi ni arrow chu klik hani arrow to friend lada pi klik hani arrow kata kan pi kum ni hani pila aban check anu deli Facebook account don daga karteng jong pi anu deli page don te anu deli ni Instagram account ba pi create daga ni Facebook jong pi pai pi ngadon lai teli ki Instagram but ar teli ki Facebook account pi te ni te jonga ha Facebook tel lada pi kwa ban suppose lada pi kwa ban delete yagani chuklik hangni suppose lada pi kwa ban delete yagani chuklik hanni suppose lada tel lada pim kwa ra chulle hani the village kumni company pi kumni pai katho ani sharing profile log in with account the password and security the friend pi katho personal detail the ini pi ini payment meta verify add preference the pi katho ani account setting different ada village hani account and setting pi don kam ban click hani personal detail pi like click da hani ma like click da hani 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 friend pi don kam ban click hani personal detail telada pi click hani personal detail friend company pi kumni pan pi company pi kumni the first pol hani company ga contact number jong pi but ani birthday jong pi but identity verification but account ownership and control the pi friend company pi kumni personal detail ta bon haki brunang friend menta kin skip ega video ta kin let de download ta haden kin yo jing jar pai tang mi friend sngewbha like skip da pi skip now friend pi don kam bang ban pat ega ni video ro friend like skip re ta chwa ban pi don kam bha ban khre ega ni pi ka tho ni meta use this information to verify your identity and to keep our community safe you decide to what personal detail you make visible to other katho ni no friend temanta lada pi kwa ban change ga number jong pi click ni lada pi kwa ban change ga ni but data pa jong pi click ni number lada pi kwa ban delete ga Facebook account jong pi don kam ban click ni pi katho account ownership and control manage your data pila ban manage ga data modify te pila ban deactivate or delete pi katho ni deactivate or delete te baita ngor preference wa ban delete pi don kam ba ban khre ro ma tengan click hani lada ping click hani company pi kumni hani ro no friend ki brukin skip ega video tenga pi lada pi kwa sa ban delete ga account like skip re mo like skip re pai katho ni account ownership and control pi katho account ownership and control lada pi la apoy gani page te pi la ban le next step te pai friends lada pi poi haga page lada ka thokum ni account ownership and control to mod pi poi haga right location banga ba pi la ban delete da account te pai pi ka thoni memorialization ate deactivation or deletion ka thokum ni to bon ki brunang friend man takim tip chon mar kala skip ega video to pi part skip re bhai ta ngom pi la skip re pai lada pi click hani phimla ra ban delete hani decide what happened to your main Facebook profile phila ban decide hani phila ban memorization yaga Facebook account jong bi tangba phimla ra ban delete te bhai tang oi pi paj phaya video te pi ka thoni deactivation or deletion te lada pi ku aban delete yaga account jong pi ne lada pi ku aban deactivate yaga account jong pi friend pi don kam ban click hani pi itanga oi pi khre ba ne pai ka la thoi ni temporarily deactivate or permanently delete your account and profile kala tho ham temanta pi chu click hani te lada pi click hani friend company pi kumni lada company pi ni te friend pi don kam ban choose deactivation or deletion inu account pi ku aban delete pai ngadon san delete account jadi ni inu account pi ku aban delete nga ko aban delete dengan ni dengan klik hani suppose pi ku aban delete daga way account suppose pi don ar lai ligi account ni profile te pi ku aban delete daga way profile te pi la aban klik lada pi ku aban delete daga Instagram account like klik la Instagram ma mentang ko aban delete daga ni ngan klik hani Bittu sa lada pi klik hani kan pen pi kum ni te hani ro pai friend sngewbha ban paitbah pai pila apai hani page deactivate or deleting your Facebook account te pai friend lada pi kwa ban deactivate mod phim kwa ban use ga Facebook jong pi chitio ne at yo chi banai ne kumta phim kwa ban use data deactivate te lada pi kwa ban delete ga Facebook jong pi permanently te pi don kam ban click ani pi ka tho delete account te pi don kam ban click hang ni tang ba lada phim ko ban delete pi ko tang ban deactivate te pi don kam ban click hani te friend nga ko ban delete ga Facebook account jonga dengan click hani pi ini ngan click hani te friend lada pi la click hani kan ni pi gumni te pi la ban khre ga ni ro delete your account is permanent ka tho hani te pi don kam ban click hani continue te pi click hani continue friend kan ni pi gumni Tementa pai ngala on pi lada pi delete ya profile jong pi ta profile jong pi new page pai nga create ya gani page ani de page ni ma pai page and additional Facebook profile pi ta sa ini page jong nga ni kan dali don stan tele ki page telada nga delete ya gani profile ini page plug ne kan delete kani Facebook kan delete ya gani tementa ngan klik ani continue telada pi klik ani continue friend kan pani pi kum ni ngala on pi lada pi dona profile lada pi ku amat nile tega profile jong pi te inu page ba pi create ha Facebook itu page kani ka Facebook kan delete tementa ngan delete pi ka ika tho before you delete we may able to help you ka angkom ni pi don kamban ideation bali pi ku aban delete tega Facebook account jong pi lada pi chimpor ba dong I spend too much time on Facebook lada pi chimpor ba Facebook telada pi don yagani privacy consent chuklik hani telada pi don problem ngam feel save re ban user Facebook do klik ani telada ka account jong pi ka cha hack to klik ani ma account was hacked te pila ban klik hani I no longer find Facebook useful klik hani tangan klik hani ngan klik hani ngan klik o nga spend time pelat hani Facebook tanga ko aban dile danga la klik ani debita friend pi don kam ban klik hani continue chuklik hani continue my friend that pi click hani continue friend hani poro one ki bro ki skip a video the game tip to piso to the by ta lada pi par skip that the best by por jompi mata pila ala ban delete dega Facebook account jompi ne ban deactivate pila ala ma temanta pi ka tho ani time spent on Facebook manage your notification click hani continue lada pi click hani continue kan pani pi gumni friend temanta pi don kam ban delete dega pa permanently delete account before you delete kan ka Facebook ka ban ong pi ka I suggestion bang pi la ban deactivate their account ka I suggestion bang pi the pila ban go to activity log pila ban save the post jong pi new post ba pi post pila ban click hani go to activity log to save video post video ba pi post hani Facebook lada pi ko tang ba lada phim ko ai gataro lada pi ko ban download the information pi ga tho as pa photo but as pa san pun ru ki post ngala upload ha Facebook lada nga ko ai gani tanga click download information lada nga click hani download information friend tangan yo ai ga post ba nga post ha Facebook video ba nga post ngan yo tang ba ngam ko ai ga turo te transfer information da pi kwa pi dan kaman klik ni tang ba phim kwa ra gani rom kwa phim kwa ra ro da pi dan kam ban le chapo pi dan kam ban klik ni continue da phim kwa le su klik ni continue the friend da pi klik ni continue kan ni pi kum ni teman ta pi dan kam ban ga password jong profile jong pin te pi dan kam ban ga password teman tangan ga password jong kumni friend lada pi la ga password jong pi de click ni continue de pi click ni continue to ka ni Facebook account jong pi kan delete the friend I hope pila so tho kumno ban delete ga Facebook account jong pi ne kumno ban deactivate ga Facebook account jong pi ngala pan so tho pi ni video the friend dan ni bro ki dan question deactivate but delete pa yang pi lada pi deactivate ga Facebook jong pi pila aban open ga Facebook jong pi haden live post ni tang balala pi delete the pim la so ban open ga ani Facebook jong pi permanent pim la so ta ata de deactivate means ata de delete means the friend I hope last now to the friend lada bi pa any video do mentang ko apa nang pi friend kuble cipon be pi ai ga po jopi ban bai any video friend pila ban share any video ipolog jopi lada ipolog jopi ki ko ban delete ga Facebook account jong kiro don kam ban tip em kumnu ban delete ga Facebook account jong ki in Khasi tak pila ban share any video ipolog jong kiro nama lada kimtip English lada kimtip Hindi tak pila ban pai daga ni video jong Khasi do sngewbha ban share ni video da friend lada pi ko ban kumai bisa without investment friend pila ban check ni video ni video ngala persyo to pi full detail friend kumnu pila ban kumai bisa without investment friend sngewbha ban share ni video da friend time das ni friend ko bless you